Opportunity.
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 Opportunities.
Opportunity.
Opportunities.
Opportunity.
Opportunities.
I think we have so many opportunities for students who are interested in the discipline of psychology to take advantage of, that we have wonderful faculty. We're doing really, really cool stuff. We have a great group of students, and if you're so inclined, this degree can really work for you to get where you want to be.
In our psych department, we have a very strong relationship between the faculty and the students.
I can't think of too many departments that I would rank above ours.
We aren't here for our own self-interest. We're here to help teach them about the field of psychology. We get to know the students by their first name. We get to interact with them. I get to do research with them.
I've just been very impressed with the faculty here in terms of commitment to students and always kind of wanting to take it a little bit further.
There's a lot of close contact and close work between students and faculty. I think most students would tell you the faculty are very approachable, they're very concerned about their well-being.
I think the greatest part about our department is the faculty relationships. Like, you don't really often see that in a lot of other schools or other departments. And like, I've been able to work under a faculty member for several semesters that shaped like my college experience and helped form my future goals.
All the students, even in the psych program, are also very willing to help you, and even tutoring and everything is always available, and it's just a really, I think, really good close-knit community of students and faculty where everyone can just help everyone says hi to everyone, so it's not like you don't know everybody, just really nice.
For a large department, we really create a sense of care and concern and warmth for our students, and I think it's really noticeable.
Research activity and research experience can be a very powerful addition to their portfolio as they go forward looking for graduate opportunities.
We've got some niche areas like health psychology and sports psychology and neuroscience and cognitive psych. So it's a time when the department's growing and people are really energetic and enthusiastic.
So what we've been actually doing is looking at how whether or not runners try to solve life problems while they're running, because running is kind of a repetitive activity, and runners will often talk about being able to think things through during a run sometimes. And so we just completed a survey of community runners, and it was kind of a fun survey because we got a really nice large group of runners with diverse experiences, and we basically just asked them, how often do you engage in problem solving?
I have a research lab in the areas of brain biology and chemistry and its effects on cognition, attention, memory, and motivation. A couple of my students have published a paper a few years back that sort of showed that a drug that was coming out maybe had more side effects than people realized. It was out there, and it's sort of, on this, you could call it global scale.
We're addressing questions that are basic as to how we define creativity, as well as questions regarding the factors that are associated with it.
And we do a wide variety of research. Some of it's dealing with the components to working memory, identifying those components. We've done video game training research. What we've been doing, we've been training people playing a shooter video game. What we've shown is that if we train them in video game, training these first-person shooter games, that their visual attention is getting enhanced. They're getting much greater visual attention, doing a visual attention task.
Each student has a good opportunity to be the first author on one or more presentations and perhaps publications of the research that they've been a part of.
Students do their individual projects, and we usually get those together each year and go to local, regional, and national conferences. Students really had two big things to do. One was to present oral presentations or poster presentations, and we did both of those. A lot of graduate schools send program representatives. They look at what the students are doing, and then the students can go talk to all these representatives. I think we're surprised by how many people were there to see what they were doing.
Our faculty offer opportunities for students to start getting involved with research beginning as freshmen and continuing until they graduate.
Psychi is the National Honorary Society for individuals who have majored in psychology. It's an organization that once you have joined it, you belong to it for life. And so it's a tremendous opportunity to get recognized for the quality work that one has done. And it's also a good thing to get on one's record if one is considering applying for graduate training.
The Psychology Club is pretty much open to anybody who's interested in psychology. And they do all kinds of different activities.
The Compton Cup is this highly competitive miniature golf challenge that's been going on for years between faculty and students.
We also have a lot of activity going on with our Psychology Club for students to get involved more at the local level, involved with activities like going to, we do different activities of Brain Awareness Week up at the Mill Creek Mall. They've done fun activities like we'll watch a movie that has a psychology theme to it and then have a discussion about that. We played Cranium one time.
Celebrate Psychology is sort of a banquet that we hold here in the psych department that allows us to come together, eat good food, have dinner with our friends, students, faculty, family members alike, and sort of look back on the really great accomplishments and all the work that we've put in over the past year.
We give student recognition, and it's also an opportunity for students to share their work. We have an alumni panel so students can see what you do with your degree in psychology. We have a keynote speaker who's also an alum, and we also have the opportunity for students to present their research.
A lot of our students do internships, and a lot of them actually do end up with job offers. It mostly gives them some good hands-on experience.
They can get experience in a variety of different places. We have students in hospitals, residential facilities for children, prisons, schools, hospice facilities, outpatient clinics, just really a wide variety of settings.
50% of our students currently have been offered positions for employment as a result of their internship opportunities.
You're not going to leave here feeling like, I'm not sure what psychology is yet.
We want them to do well, and we want our degree to mean something, and we want employers and potential graduate programs to be excited when they see a student coming with an Edinboro degree in psychology.